Hello, hello. Hope you're doing well. Today, I'm here to show you how to update the password for your account. Starting from our products page, the first thing you need to do is go to the top right corner, click on the My Account button. From here, you click on the Change Password button once it appears. All you have to do here is put in your old password in the first bar, and then in the next two bars, you need to put in a new password that fits all the criteria on the right side of the screen. Just make sure they match when you put the information in the confirm password bar. And then you just click the update button. And there you go. Your password's now been successfully updated. Once you update your password, it'll ask you to log in, so you just put in that new password. And you can log right in. I hope this helps. You enjoy the rest of your day.